I'm Lindsey Treasure, the Design Director of Alder Tweed in Big Sky, Montana. Welcome to this beautiful condo we designed. The goal of this condo was to make it not feel like a condo. We wanted it to feel like a home as much as possible. This hallway is a focal point of the condo and really brings all of the bedrooms together. To warm it up, we did this really long 20-foot rug runner to warm up the space and make everything feel connected. Some of the challenges in this condo was making sense of awkward spaces and niches. We were able to overcome that in the entry by doing a custom console piece right in this niche with a beautiful art piece above it, while still being able to add a bench for functionality when people are coming into the home. This was a particularly difficult room to work with. It was originally intended to be a mudroom ski room, which really wasn't functional for our clients. We converted it into a high-end desk area with some additional storage for their ski equipment, so it was still serving both purposes. This was another room that we really had to take a look at and see what was going to make the most sense for the client. It's kind of an awkward space, and we were thinking, what could we do here? We ended up going with a sleeper sofa, which works so well because they have a lot of kids, so extra sleepovers with friends, but then it also converts to a lounge area to watch TV and hang out. Another thing that we did in this space to make it feel extra special was this really great textured patterned wallpaper. It just warmed up all of the walls and made this room feel really cozy and welcoming. Who doesn't love a really cozy master bedroom? A focal point in here for the clients was creating a seating area just for them to come and snuggle up, enjoy the fireplace after a long day of skiing and enjoying the views outside the window. When finishing the space, a comment that the client had was the fireplace wall just didn't quite feel finished. And to achieve that, we added these freestanding marble and metal bookcases to really finish off this wall and give it a lot of visual impact. The client wanted each of the bedrooms to feel unique and different. We did this for this bedroom by adding a chaise lounge in the corner so that who's ever staying in this room gets a really nice lounge experience. Incorporating bunk beds was something really important to this client, but due to limited space, we couldn't have a dedicated bunk room. So we took this guest suite with this awkward niche space and created a really functional bunk bed setup with 2 full beds along with a king bed to make this the essential family bunk room. One of my favorite pieces in this room is this piece of art. It's from the client's personal collection. It's a piece that has been in their family for years. They really wanted to incorporate it into this house, and I feel like it just lended itself to be the perfect finishing piece in this bedroom. The open floor plan in the great room and dining room is what makes this condo feel so unique and special. Unlike a lot of the other places here, it's really so open and spacious and makes it really feel like a home versus a condo. Making the great room and dining room flow was something really important to the client. So able to do this, we added the console with these leather-proof ottomans so that someone could sit here and eat or also pull them around and watch TV or the game with the rest of the family. Our biggest goal in the kitchen was to make it feel like an extension of the dining room and the great room. We did this by adding these beautiful leather counter stools with the metal brass accents that's used throughout the dining room and the great room. This 10-foot custom holly hunt dining table is the focal point of the dining room. With these beautiful metal inserts and base, it makes the table feel unique and special. Thanks so much for joining me on this walkthrough of this condo. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did designing it.